In today's video, I will walk you through how to view stock prices on Investing.com. Investing.com makes it easy to view real-time and historical stock prices from markets around the world. Whether you're tracking a company you're interested in or monitoring your investments, you can quickly access detailed pricing information with just a few clicks. To get started, open Investing.com and navigate to Markets, then under Stocks, click Stock Screener. From here, you will see the current stock price is displayed prominently. You'll also find additional information, such as the market cap, PE ratio, and PEG ratio. These details can help you better understand how the stock is performing during the current trading session. You can also select the stocks to open its dedicated market page. There, you'll find additional information, such as the daily price change, percentage change, opening price, days high and low, previous close, trading volume, and market capitalization. These details can help you better understand how the stock is performing during the current trading session. You can also explore other sections of the stock page, including company news, financial statements, technical analysis, analyst opinions, and historical data. These resources provide additional information that can help you better understand the company's market performance. If you're following multiple companies, you can use the search bar and repeat the same process for each stock. You can also add stocks to your watch list so you can monitor their prices more easily without searching for them every time. And that's it. That's how to view stock prices on Investing.com. With just a few clicks, you can access detailed pricing information and market data for thousands of companies around the world.